How to create a t-shirt design using Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can create a t-shirt design on canva.com. So let's get started. What you have to do is just come to canva.com. You can actually use the free version. I will be using the free version of Canva and we will create this amazing t-shirt design. You can create a t-shirt design and then sell your t-shirts on any of the t-shirt platform, print on demand platform, for example Teespring, Redbubble, any platform that you are using. So to create t-shirts, what you have to do is just log into your canva.com and you will get this window here. We get all of these different layouts, for example to create a poster, to create different to edit the videos, to create logos. So you will get the t-shirt layout right here. If you do not find it, it's okay, just type in t-shirts and it will open it up. There you go. We will open t-shirt layouts and then we can create our t-shirt design. So right here I get all the t-shirt templates that are available. You will see all of these templates, and the one with the crown are for Canva Pro. So you will get all of these designs. These are the template designs that you will get, and then you can customize them and edit them. You can actually go for any styles, for example colorful, simple, bold, modern, and illustrations. And you can go to your designs. If you have already created different designs, that will be shown right here. But the t-shirt, I have not created a t-shirt design before. So what happens is that I can actually go for a blank t-shirt as well, or I can choose any template. So for now, let's go with a blank template so I can show you around all the different features. But you can go for any template as well. For example, you can choose this template and you can then change the color or maybe text as well. So let's open up a blank t-shirt. So this is the canvas for blank t-shirt, and this is a white canvas that I am getting, and this will be the size, and it is according to a t-shirt print, that when this design will be printed on a t-shirt, it will not get blurred or anything else. So you can see that they also have the templates right here as well if I want to choose one from, but I am going with a simple one and I will create it on my own. So what is going to happen is I can actually add different elements if I want to. So let's create a beautiful t-shirt which says maybe hello December. Okay, so first let me add the text to my t-shirt. To add the text, what you do is you simply click on text and add a heading because I want it to be bold and big, so that is why I am going with a heading. After that, simply backspace this one and type your text. There you go. So I have added my text right here. Now I can actually edit this text as I want to. Simply go above and I will actually change the font. So we can actually choose from any font we want to. Okay. So this font looks pretty good, right? Now you can see the space between hello and December. There is a lot of space, so I can actually decrease the spacing. All I have to do is just decrease the line spacing to maybe 0.99. So this looks good. Now I can actually click on this text and I can make it big and small as I want to. So let's make it like this, and I will keep it in the center. So now it is in the center. Hello December. After that, let's add some of the elements to this. I want to add some leaves into it. You can search for any elements you want to. Simply go to search, and if we are on all, then we will get all of the different elements. For example, it can be a text or graphics, but you can go to any of these in particular. For example, you can go to photos and you can go to graphics. You will find all of these amazing elements on canva.com. So now I have searched for leaves and I am going to be adding these. I can add whatever I want to on my t-shirt. So let's go with any of the good one. Okay, this one looks pretty good, so I will simply click on that and it will open up right here on my template. Let's make it a bit smaller. So I have set up this right here, and I think it looks pretty good. Or I can just, move this a little above, and we can actually tilt it if we want to with this right here, and I will just make it a little bit. So when all the elements for my t-shirt has been added, for example, this is the design that I want for my t-shirt, then all I have to do is just simply click on download. So you can actually add a lot of different elements. I have added this leaf. You can actually add an image as well, but again, it will depend on the image quality. If the image quality is not that good, then it will get blurred. If you want to add more than one element, for example, if you wanted to add this leaf as well, so it will appear right here, and you can trace it wherever you want to. So for now, I'm gonna go with just one, and I will simply delete it. If I want to go with any image, I can add any image as well. If you want to add another text, I can just simply go to text again and add the text that I want to. So this is how you can actually add all of these different elements and design a t-shirt that you want to design, and you can actually create these amazing creative designs for your t-shirts. Once your design is created, all you have to do is click on download. So when we click on download now, what is going to happen is that you can actually go with a transparent background if you are going to choose any other color, because when this image is going to be printed on a black t-shirt, you will actually see this white background as well. So you should remove the background if you want to with the pro feature, but if you do not want to remove it, for example, I am going to be designing a white t-shirt, so it will get mixed with the white background, so it's fine. But of course, you should go ahead and you can actually save this image as without a background, as a transparent background, so that will actually look pretty cool. So once your image is saved, let's go with the image. And what kind of image we are going for? We are going for PNG because it is the highest quality image. Go with PNG and simply download it from here. So when we click on download, our image is downloaded, and that's basically it. That's how you can actually design your t-shirts on Canva. You can go ahead and design whatever t-shirt you want to. You can create these amazing designs, these professional designs for your t-shirts, and then you can just go ahead and run your print on demand business. So once you have created your design on canva.com, what you can do is you can come to any of the print on demand or t-shirt platform, and you can actually print that design that you just created on Canva right here. So I am on teespring.com, and Teespring is actually a very good option for us to design our t-shirts and to do print on demand, because on Teespring you will not have to worry about the different factors, for example shipping and payment and the quality of the product. All you do is you simply design the products, and in order to design the product, to create a t-shirt or any product, what you have to do is you require a design that you already have saved in your computer, and that design is going to be our design that we just created on canva.com. So this is how you can actually go to any of the platform you want to. For example, you can go to your Redbubble, you can go to your any other store that you have created, and simply design your t-shirt, print the design that you created on canva.com for free on that t-shirt, and then you can earn your profit or your money. If you are doing directly, you are doing drop shipping, and you are selling directly, then you will of course earn the full amount. But if you are working on Teespring, then you will be able to earn the profit. So this is how you can actually create your own t-shirts, and then you can sell them online and earn profit and earn money. You can sell them for $50 or $30, and the design we created was with zero investment, and we used the free version for Canva. So this is how you can actually create your different t-shirts and design your t-shirts on canva.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to design your own t-shirts on Canva. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.